by saying I am so sorry about the quality of what you are seeing. This is attempt 3 to get you guys this information. You need a blue foldable, and you're going to get this white sheet of paper. You're going to cut out all the little boxes until you have just the boxes and the 2 titles. Then you're going to fold the blue paper on the solid lines, and you will cut across on the dotted line. Then you are going to put it into your notebook. It is going to be page 10. You do not need to have the 2 titles. You could just have the foldable if that's all you can do. Your foldable again will look like this, and each of the flaps will open. I am now going to show you each of the flaps and what goes behind each flap. You need to pause the video and place them in the correct spot. So pause the video, find these 2 pieces, glue them in. I can see that's taped. Again, more difficulty this morning. Put in the correct pieces. Percent to decimal. The example, you start with a percent. You move the decimal 2 places to the left. Here's the directions. This was percent to fraction. You get rid of the percent sign, put it over 100, and simplify. Write the percent over 100, simplify. That easy. Fraction to decimal, we're going to tell you to box top. Put the top number in the box and divide by the bottom number. Like 1/8, the 1 goes in the box, you divide by 8, you get the decimal. Fraction to percent. 1 divided by 8 is 0.125, and then you move that decimal 2 places to the right to go from a decimal to percent. So you're really going from fraction to decimal to percent. We're going to box top by dividing the top number by the bottom number, and then if you're on the calculator, just put in times 100, or mentally move that decimal 2 places to the right. Decimal to percent. Move that decimal 2 places to the right. It's the same as multiplying by 100. You're just moving it 2 places to the right. And finally, decimal to fraction. You have the decimal. You're putting it over 100. You put a 1 under the decimal, fill in with zeros, and you end up with 75 hundredths, and then simplify. So put a 1 under the decimal, zeros under the numbers, and simplify. This is what it looks like when you're done. Again, pause the video and make sure you have it right. You will get to use this on the test, so make it good.